and welcome to the Engineering Up channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about differentiation formulas and its most important rules also. If you are preparing for JEE, engineering mathematics, or any other competitive exams or last minute revision, then this video is for you. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to give you a quick and a concise revision of differentiation, including the most important basic formulas, all the formulas, and 3 essential rules: product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. So let's get started. First, let's quickly revise some of the most important differentiation formulas. See, this is my notes. I will attach this notes in the comment section from where you can access this notes. In this notes, I have written all the important, means all the formulas of differentiation which will be required for your JEE exam or any other competitive exams or engineering mathematics. These differentiation formulas are more than enough. Constant, all the formulas in this notes. This is a 3-page notes which will help you, which is a score booster or marks booster notes. These notes will help you to revise differentiation in just 2 minutes. You have to go through these notes carefully and your all the formulas of differentiation will get cleared. So I will attach this in the comment section. Also, this formula is in my shorts. You can go and access from there also. So I'm not going to this formula you have to learn by heart. So let us come to the rules. First of all, I will tell you that differentiation indication, like how to indicate. Very common indication is dy by dx. This is the most common indication we do. But there are other symbol or other ways we can indicate differentiation. Okay, like this one, dy by dx means you have to find the differentiation. Dy, this is also implies differentiation. Y dash differentiation. Y1 differentiation. F dash x differentiation. Now if y double dash, this means double differentiation. Y2. This means double differentiation. And F double dash X. This also means double differentiation. Okay. So now let us come to the rule. The most important rule: product rule, quotient rule, chain rule. These are the most important rule and basic rule which will help you to solve any questions. Differentiation is needed in our physics, maths, and in common questions of competitive exams also. So these are the formulas which will help you to solve the questions. You don't have to do nothing. If you are just beginner also, just go through the formulas, learn the formulas by heart, and understand these 3 rules properly. Your differentiation is done, 101% done. So let's begin with the product rule. See, d by dx, fx dot gx. Okay, I will give the example and explain also, so don't worry. Fx dot g dash x plus gx dot f dash x means, what does this mean? This is very simple. Like, this is fx and this is gx. Okay, they are in product. Okay, function of fx and function of gx. Now first you will write fx as it is, then you will do the differentiation of gx, then plus you will write gx as it is and then do the differentiation of f dash x. We can also say it uv method or uv rule. How to do this? See, uv rule, like you will put u dot differentiation of v, then plus v dot or product, whatever, differentiation of u. Now you don't understand? Now let us give an example. Let me give an example. Suppose, just wait. Now see, this is example of product rule. X dot sin x means x product sin x. Now do the differentiation of this. D by dx, dy by dx. Suppose this you have to do its differentiation. Okay, so now what to do? You will write x, means consider x is equals to u. Okay, x is equals to u and sin x is equals to v, uv. This is u. I'm not able to write here, space is not there, but this is u. Okay, this is u and this is v. So u as it is means x as it is. Now multiply differentiation of sin x, differentiation of v is sin x. So differentiation of sin x, if you know the formula, then if you know the formula of sin x, see, sin x is cos x, differentiation. So formula you have to know by heart, then only. So x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, then again plus Plus sign is there. Now v as it is we will write. What is v here is sine x. So sine x. And now differentiation of u. U means what? U means x. So x means differentiation of x is 1. See. Yes. Yes, see. Differentiation formula. Okay. One thing, this is a formula, but the main formula of differentiation is, I'm writing here, or I will write also. This is the basic formula, main formula. See, this is the main basic formula of differentiation. It is also written above this, unable to come in the picture, but don't worry, I'll write here. When you will access the note, you will be able to see it. So the differentiation of this is n x n minus 1. Okay. So means, one example I will give. See, x to the power 3. Okay. N can be anything. Let us consider n is equal to 3. So 3n, just 3x, n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3x squared. This is the main form of differentiation. Okay. Hope it is clear. Yes, it is written here. CC. And seventh number it is written. And seventh number also I have written here. Above also written, and seventh number also I have written. See. This is the basics or the most important one. This one. In seventh number. So I have written. Okay. Now, where I was? Yes. So differentiation of x. So x to the power, nothing is there means what? 1. So n is equals to 1. 1. X to the power 1 minus 1 what? 0. X to the power 0 or anything to the power 0 is 1. Right? So answer is 1. So this is what I have written. So this is the product rule. Hope so it is clear. Now, let us come to, see, this is also product rule of 3. Now we'll say 3. So nothing is there. Keep these two. First you do this one, then plus, and then again keep this two. Then do its differentiation, then plus, then again this two. This one, first one and last one, and do the middle one differentiation. It's easy. And yes, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to do first. See, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to do first u differentiation, then v differentiation. No, there is not hard and fast rule. Like here I have written u, then v differentiation. You can do what? V, then use differentiation first. There is no hard and fast rule. As it is addition, so there is no hard and fast rule. But here also you will see in the 3, you can do fx differentiation first, or you can do gx differentiation first, you can do hx differentiation first. No problem at all. But the thing you have to keep in mind is, wait, let me remove, yes. The thing which you have to keep in mind is, one thing you will keep it as it is, other thing you will do its differentiation, then plus, then again, that thing which differentiation you have done, that thing will be keep as it is, and other thing differentiation. Okay. Like here, x and sin x. So you can do x, you can keep x as it is and sin x differentiation first. You can do sin x difference, you can do x differentiation first and keeping sin x as it is. Means no hard and fast rule. You can do either sin x differentiation first or x differentiation first. You can do u differentiation first or v differentiation first. No hard and fast rule. One thing you will keep as it is, other thing you will differentiate and then add and do the same thing, vice versa. So this is product rule. I hope it is clear. Now let us move to quotient rule. D by dx, fx above and divide by gx. Now, if they are in division format, so how you will do? It's differentiation. Nothing to worry. This is denominator. I hope, sorry, this fx is numerator and this gx is denominator. Okay, I hope you know this basic thing. Fx we say numerator and gx is our denominator. Okay, so let me mark it. Sorry. Wait. Yes. fx is our numerator. Okay, and gx is our denominator. See, I have marked here, so no confusion will remain. Now, first you will keep denominator as it is. Okay, then you will do the differentiation of numerator minus, very important, minus. You will keep fx as it is. Fx means numerator as it is, and gx is differentiation you will do. And whole divide by g square x means it's square. Denominator square. Okay, I'm repeating it once again. This is top, this is bottom, this is numerator, this is denominator. So first you will do what? You will keep the denominator as it is and you will do numerator differentiation. Then again minus, you will keep numerator as it is, then again do differentiation of denominator and whole divide by denominator square. Denominator square. You can also say u by v. U by v. So v as it is, u differentiation minus u as it is, v is differentiation, whole divide by v square. And see, here is a rule. Here's a hard and first rule that you cannot change as you like. Means like in product rule I have said that you can do the differentiation of v first, you can do the differentiation of u first, no matter at all, as there is a plus sign here. But in quotient rule, as it is a minus sign, so you cannot change the order. Means gx you have to keep, means gx means denominator first you have to keep, and first you have to do numerator differentiation. You have to do numerator differentiation, then minus, then again you have to keep numerator as it is and denominator differentiation. So first numerator differentiation, then denominator differentiation. So this is a rule, this is a order. You cannot change this order because here the sign is here the sign is of subtraction, minus sign is there, so you cannot change the order. So let me take an example first to clear your doubt. I will take sin x and x example only. Okay, sin x whole divide by, wait, see, sin x whole divide by x. Okay, so this is, let me consider my u and this is my v, again that example. Okay, now as they are in division format, so you have to apply quotient rule. What the quotient rule said is you have to first do denominator square, x square, denominator square, v square. Okay, now you have to keep denominator as it is, means v as it is, and do the differentiation of numerator. Numerator is sin x, do the differentiation of v. Sin x is cos x. Okay, cos x. Again minus sign, then you have to do the differentiation of denominator, keeping numerator or keeping u as it is, sin x, and the differentiation of denominator. X is 1, so I'm not writing it. Okay, let me write it. Then you will have confusion, right? So yes, sin x into 1. So this is my quotient rule which I have applied. See, v as it is, differentiation of u, v as it is, differentiation of u, minus u as it is, and differentiation of v. So quotient rule is also clear. Very easy thing. Just you need to go through once. And this is the notes, free page notes, which will help you to go through within 2 minutes. And it will help you basically in the last day of exam, before the one day before exam. This notes will help 1 day before exam. Or if you want a quick recap before test, before mock test, or before any exam, these notes are really gonna help, really. Because all the things in a very short, in a very concise manner I have written, so that you can go through it very fast and very easily. You can go through it. So let us come to chain rule. Quotient rules here. Let us come to chain rule. Now, what is chain rule? See, chain rule, I have explained it giving an example only, because see, you have to understand this rule very properly, because this rule seems to be a bit hard. Okay, so what this rule says? Y is equals to root of sine x. Root of sine x. Okay, you can also write sine x. We know root means half, so we can write it sine x to the power half. Sine x to the power half. We can write. Sine x to the power half. Okay. So, see, dy by dx is equal to, chain rule is, means first you will do this whole differentiation. Sine x to the power half, you have to do its whole differentiation. Whole differentiation means that formula x to the power n. X can be anything. X is equals to here sine x. So you will apply this formula. N means half. This is n is equals to half. So n is half. X is sine x, to the power n minus 1. Means half minus 1 is minus half. Half minus 1 is minus half. So 1 minus half is half minus 1 is minus half. So minus half means sine x to the power minus half, means if minus is there it will come down. This is basic thing, I hope you know. So it is written like this, and now you have done this whole. Now done the difference. Now do the differentiation of sine x. Do the differentiation of sine x. It will come cos x. Okay. Let me explain it once again so that any doubts will be cleared. Okay, this is, you have to be concentrate in this formula and do. Okay, because people usually do mistake over this formula, in this formula only. While applying this formula, mistakes may happen because you have to do it with very concentration. Okay, so let me explain it once more. See, this is the example which I have written. See, y is equals to sine x to the power half. We know anything to the power half means it's square root of. Okay, so what was the chain rule? First, we will do the differentiation of this whole. We know the formula that anything to the power n or x to the power n is equals to n into x to the power n minus 1. This formula which we have applied here. N, which is our half, wait. It's n, which is our half, sine x means x to the power n minus 1. Half minus 1, which is, forgot this cos x for now. Forget it. For now, don't look at it. See only here. So half sine x minus half. Half minus 1 will be equals to minus half. Okay, so we know that anything to the power minus n can be written as 1 by x to the power n. This is a basic thing which we have learned from class 9, 10 or lower classes. Okay, so this is what I have written here. Now we know half means square root, so I have given the square root symbol and put it down here. Okay, now don't see half. Okay, now don't see this, wait. Now don't see this half. Okay, you will see only sine x. Sine x differentiation is cos x. So here dot means multiply sine into cos x side by side. Cos x side by side. Okay, so this is our full answer. Hope so it is clear. Okay. We use the chain rule when one function is inside another function. Okay. The key idea is differentiate the outside, keep the inside, and multiply by the derivative of the inside. This is the key idea. Okay. So I hope the session remains helpful to you and your all queries, your all questions regarding differentiation is cleared after watching this. And these are the basic formulas and 3 important rules of differentiation, which will be useful in every questions of, be it be math, be it be physics, any questions. Okay, so save this video for quick revision and follow for more short and concise J and engineering notes. Thanks for watching.